What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm here with Yoowigs today, and I'm excited. Look at that packaging. I just love it, and I love the little bow. Give me that little, present, like feeling like I'm getting a gift. I love that. So it has Yoowigs on the box there, and it's not actually tied around the box. It's just like a full box. So as I open it, I see my way. I see my way, and I'm excited. Then I look in the box, and they sent me a headscarf. That's nice. But no, this is not a headband wig. The last thing I'm seeing in the box is this pair of lashes, and I love the packaging for this. It says Lash Woods. Eyes without lashes are like cake without frosting. Isn't that true? Right? A pair. Ooh, these look nice. Oh my gosh, I love this style. This style is lit. I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my lash collection that I got. And I love the packaging. Like, they really thought about their packaging. It's bomb. As you know, this color, whole color job, this look is trending. And this is a 360 wig, by the way. 360, honey. You can throw this up in a ponytail. It's lit. And it has what, 4 combs in total on the inside. Standard 360 cap construction. So that's really nice. The knots are already bleached. And this is a Royal HD film lace. I could tell by just looking at it. It's not as thick as the regular lace. It's way thinner. You know how HD laces are. When you melt this down, it's melted. Guys, are you seeing how this came already wanded? This came already wanded up. This is amazing. I love it. I love it. I can just go ahead and install this so I don't have to be in the hassle of doing that. That is so nice. It comes with a center part, so that's exactly how I'm gonna rock it today. Pretty cool party space. So yeah, that's how it looks. Oh, and this is 26 inches long, but because it's already curled, yeah, it's 26 inches long. So we got some inches today.
Living in the dark, I feel so alive, still remembering.
Let me tell you, HD and Swiss lace, favorite laces to work with. It's so easy to apply. It's really it's not thick, so of course you have to be more careful, like when you're going to pluck it and stuff like that. But I didn't go in and pluck this any further because it's already pre-plucked. And as I said, over time, when you need to be careful when you pluck your own laces, because it does shed over time. So it's not something that I always stress when the wigs come pre-plucked, because when it sheds over time, like, it end up just looking crazy. So sometimes I just rock it as is because it really doesn't look. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, and before I cut off the excess lace, I'm gonna just take my elastic band and and tie it down for like 2 minutes to further melt the area. I'm not gonna even like tie it at the back. I'm just gonna hold it because it can be a hassle. It gets really tight and it can be a hassle. So while I'm doing this, I'll just take my blow dryer and kind of speed up the process.
On the line, still surrendering, trying harder to forgive you. Candlelight has gone out. Some will win and some will lose. Nothing much else to say. Thought I was searching for something.
The elastic band has been around, just sealing everything in for like 10 minutes. This is so melted. You literally cannot see where the lace begins or where it stops. Like that's so nice. Just kind of want to take away some of the shine. Go over the hairline with just a little bit of powder, just to take away some of the shine. I want to go in and just define this some more because I had to comb it out. Some will win and some will lose. Nothing much else to say. Thought I was searching for something. Door is closed, not a sound. Take a look as I am now. Still a smile but don't speak. Will you please slow down? Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. So I just went in, finished the other side, and I always put the clips in because I don't want the curls to fall too quickly. Oh, look at that, guys. I'm gonna give right here a little bit of layer so it's not all on one level. Feel so beautiful that is, guys. Isn't this gorgeous? I love this. I love this. And I've never gotten one of these wigs this long, so I'm definitely going to be adding this to my collection, to my personal collection. Definitely giving me Beyonce vibes. This is late. So pretty. Let me know what you guys think about this down below. It is fire, and it's so full. I'm going to put all the specifications for this down in my description box. The density, all those good stuff, the direct link to this here, so you guys can go ahead and get it for yourself if you're interested. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Just stay tuned. Don't forget to keep up with my vlog channel, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. And you're not listening. It is your choice to make a little mockery. It won't do.